In this video, I will show you how to cancel a subscription on OnlyFans. So if you have a current active subscription on OnlyFans and you want to cancel this, then this video is there to show you how you do this. So first of all, we're going over to our OnlyFans app, or you can go to the browser. Just make sure that you are logged into the right account. And then from here, go to the profile tab, and in my case, it's at the bottom right. So click on this, and then I'm going to click on following. And from following, I will see active in here. And in this active tab, we will see everyone that we are subscribed to. So if you want to unsubscribe or cancel the subscription, what we're going to do is basically click on subscribed. And once we do this, we will need to get a reason for cancellation filled in. So click on the arrow down, and then you can just select the reason that you have to cancel. So you can also select no specific reason, like I'm going to do right now. And if you are sure, you're going to click on unsubscribe. Once you have clicked on unsubscribe, you will see that it is no longer active, and then you will see your previous subscription in the expire tab, and in here you will see that subscription. So right now I've unsubscribed on a free subscription, but if you have a paid subscription and you want to unsubscribe from one of those, then you will need to go through some extra steps in order to cancel this subscription. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.